and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing him no ye, fiancé, call him no he. Ewo kasemo. Tesuku, maza maza, yisuku kaba kaba. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
The female Anopheles mosquito, carrier of the Plasmodium parasite, the causal agent for malaria. According to a recent WHO report, malaria is the #1 killer in sub-Saharan Africa. And yet we treat it very lightly. Ironically, the measures we can use to ward off the mosquitoes and thence malaria are numerous and pretty basic. In today's class, I would like to center on the pharmaceuticals used to fight the Plasmodium once it has infected the system. 1. What does the parasite do to the system? 2. What are the effects of the infection? Okay. Now, if you should look into your microscope, you will see the Plasmodium displaced on the slides. Georgette?
Yes, madam.
Are you okay?
Yes, madam.
You're sure?
Yes, madam.
I hope you're getting the notes down.
Yes, madam.
Right. Okay. So, I would like you to draw them first. And then I just read your message. You ran the second test and it came back positive. This is terrible. Yes, the name, Jacqueline K. The surname wasn't spelled fully. All right, John. I'll go through my lists and try and track her down, okay? I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right. Thank you, John. Hi.
Hi, you look so distraught. What's the matter?
I was just getting into my pharmacology lecture when I heard this bombshell. That a lady from Yas Santua Hall has been infected with HIV.
You don't mean it. How did you find out?
I got a call from John Bediaku, the chief physician at Central Hospital. You know, the girls organized the blood donation campaign, as part of their whole week celebration.
I'm a young man.
Just the person I was looking for. I have a bit of a crisis, so I need you to continue the lecture for me.
All right, madam.
When I left them, they were drawing the malaria parasite. So please take them through the life cycle, the anatomy, and physiology, okay?
Will do, madam.
Good day, Dr. Agri. Good day.
Sly, I was hoping I could rack your brains for an idea. I don't know.
Well, we'll see what we can do.
Caught you, huh? What
are you doing sneaking around here, Gita?
You won't believe what I just heard.
Oh yeah. What is it this time?
The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might.
I say we must act immediately.
Yes.
If we allow her to stay, we shall all be at risk.
I have drafted a resolution I want us to present to the Hall President for onwards transmission to the Hall Authority. If they do not act promptly, we shall advise ourselves.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
And I'm sure it's going to work.
So, what was all that about? Why is everybody running away from me? No. I will get to the bottom of this. I will.
Okay. You think this is your background, eh?
Look, this world is a sad place.
Info. Nukejo.
It takes only 1 second for your whole world to turn upside down.
What are you talking about?
Oh, you haven't heard the latest filler, eh?
What news?
Let me ask you this question. This Jacqueline Kusi girl, did you do anything with her? You haven't touched her?
No, not yet. What are you driving at?
I hope for your own sake that what you are telling me is true.
You want me to swear an affidavit or something? Okay, if you don't have anything of consequence to talk about, excuse us.
Look, this your sharp tongue will be your undoing one of these days. But take this from me. Jacqueline Kusi has tested HIV positive.
Where from this fella?
If we were to go to the Porter's Lodge right now, you see the enormity of what I'm saying. Look, the girls are up in arms. They say they will not share any facility with any HIV positive patient.
Is it that bad already?
The question is, how did this get started?
You remember the last blood donation exercise at Yas Santua?
Yes.
I hear that was where the whole wahala started. She was found out after the screening.
What a terrible tragedy. Right, what's up?
It's because I was coming to see you. How are you?
Not bad. How about you too?
Okay. Are you sure you don't have any other girl?
Sweetie, what do you want me to tell you?
I don't share.
Neither do I.
Not so fast.
Paddy, hey, what's up? Hey!
You do something or something?
Then I will not any.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Hey! Paddy! Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Hey!
Told you. Isn't that it?
I'm looking for Jacqueline.
Yes, my name is Jack.
Oh, wonderful. I'm a corporate. Dr. Arabase asked me to fetch you.
Do you perchance know why she's calling?
I'm afraid. I'm just a courier.
You give me a second.
I am sure Dr. C sent him to come and get him.
What a pity. But Gita, I won't forgive you for spreading it the way you did.
Is that what I get for telling you? Is that what I get for telling you? In any case, how was I to know Esina would go telling all her friends?
Sweetness, we are not supposed to glorify in somebody's views. We are not. We are not. They are coming.
Close the door behind you.
Sorry for the mode of entry. Please, we are after the hall president.
You mean Eresi?
Yes.
Sorry she's not in, but the SRC rep for the hall is around, and that's Chocho. What can we do for you?
Good afternoon, Chocho.
Good afternoon.
We have a resolution to present to you.
Okay.
We, the girls of this hall, taking cognizance of the fact that AIDS has no cure, and being advised that one of our members has AIDS, hereby resolves as follows. 1. That Jacqueline, the AIDS victim, be expelled from this hall forthwith.
Yes.
2. Her room be fumigated, or better still, shut out for a year. And 3. Her roommates be compelled to go for the test.
Yes. Could you come clearer? What's all this about?
Our information is that Jacqueline Kusi has tested HIV positive. Our contention is that she's a health hazard and must be expelled.
And who is the source of this information?
Her blood was found to be contaminated during screening after the recent blood donation exercise.
You still haven't told me who the source is. And does Jacqueline know about this?
I believe the important question here is, what are we going to do about it?
Hey, look here, you lots. In this school, we learn logic, reasoning, and science. Not hearsay and mass action. Even if what you are saying was true, can't you practice a little decency?
Excuse us. There is no decency when it comes to AIDS.
Ajua, even forgetting about niceties, we have no business demanding she be expelled, even if she's HIV positive.
But we use the same bathroom with
her.
Tell them.
Using the same bathroom with somebody who is HIV positive poses no health risk, my dear.
Don't be too sure, sweetheart.
The only way you can contract AIDS is if an exposed, bruised part of your body comes into contact with an HIV-infected blood. Moreover, we are always at risk in our schools, homes, hospitals. The key is to have this knowledge and not necessarily banishing HIV-infected people to Siberia.
Especially when you cannot authenticate this information.
Oh.
Shocking grammar.
They may have a point there. Oh. Maybe we have to be a bit more careful with the way we are pursuing this matter.
That's better.
Whatever it is, we advise you look into it.
Yes, we will.
That is what we
Okay.
want.
Although next time we expect a little more decorum from you guys. And could you keep a tight lid on this one till we get to the bottom of it?
Too bad. It is everywhere.
Everywhere. It's too late. Walk out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. I hope this is some sort of a sick joke.
Nkechi, we have to move quickly, otherwise we'll have chaos in our hands.
What are we going to do?
Let's go to the hospital. Are you coming? Let's go.
Come in. Come in, Jacqueline. Sit down. Make yourself comfortable. This world is full of adversities, trials and tribulations. It's how an individual meets these challenges that separates greatness from mediocrity. Every situation has an opportunity. I called you here just to make a short inquiry. Did you take part in the blood donation at Yasantua?
Yes, Mom. I was part of the organizers.
And did you donate blood?
Fortunately, that day, I felt a bit faint, so I didn't donate.
You didn't donate blood?
No, Madam. Why?
Did you say Jacqueline K?
Jacqueline K?
You are Jacqueline Kusi, right?
That's my name, sir. But, sir, please, is anything the matter?
Apart from you, are there any other Jacquelines?
There's another Jacqueline, but I don't really know her name.
Sorry, my dear, for the strange line of questioning. We're just trying to unravel the mix-up. Okay?
That's all right, Madam.
Thanks so much for your cooperation. And you take good care of yourself, okay?
I will, sir. Thank you.
You too.
I think you should call the Porter's Lodge. Plus, call Mediapon, the doctor. I think it's a serious mix-up here. It needs to be resolved.
I'll do that.
The meaning of all this, eh? Please, go. Yes, who is there? Come in.
Hello, Jack. Is everything okay?
Just think of what somebody slipped under my door.
How careless. Where is Amanda?
She's gone home, but what is happening here? Tell me, are they saying I have AIDS?
Well, there's talk that one of the blood samples at the blood donation exercise came HIV positive.
And they say it is yours.
Me?
Yeah.
But I didn't even go for the blood donation. I didn't.
So who is it? Who then has the virus?
Definitely not me. But why will people even mention my name? What have I done to them? So is that why everybody is running away from me?
The sorry fact is, we just came back from the hospital. And they indeed have the name Jacqueline K as having tested HIV positive. I'm yet to go to the Porter's Lodge and find out who that name could fit though. Sad day, eh?
So, that was why Arabase interviewed me. Oh God. I am finished. So I'll have to leave school.
You can't be serious. I'll send out a notice saying that you're not suffering from AIDS.
Who will believe you? Who? Do you know what happened at the entrance? Everybody was just running away from me.
Come in. It's okay. It's okay.
Hello, girls.
Hey, cheer up, my dear. Come on, it's okay.
How are you doing, sister?
Managing.
It's okay. Come on. Look, we have on it the full gory details.
Ketsi, the Rosat Aliyabet.
Blood samples were switched.
Eh?
Yeah.
Jacqueline's name was inadvertently added to the list of blood donors. So when the nurses couldn't account for a blood sample, they assumed it was hers. That blood sample happened to be contaminated, hence the linkage.
Bad luck.
So you see, you gotta cheer up, girl. Come on, now get up. Get up, girl. It's okay. Look, Kwame and I have decided to take you to dinner.
Oh, wow.
You are invited, ladies.
Thank you. That's really nice, guys. But this really should be Jacqueline's treat.
Thank God all this for this ago.
Yes, who's coming to dinner?
Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine a light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.